It's bullying my taste buds right now.
Tell me don't you choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You don't see I'm the lowest of the lowest. Hopefully you can keep it like nobody knows it. Oh, stay out the way.
Hey girl, and happy Sunday. So this is the Sunday outfit that I'll be wearing to church. Real cute, real simple. It's not too cold outside, so I don't really need like an extra coat or anything. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys my outfit. So I'm probably going to, after church, go to Ross. Just wanted to come on and say hello, and I will see you guys at Ross. Hey girl, it is literally 8 p.m. and I went to I told y'all I was going to Ross. I think I took y'all in there with me and showed y'all a few things. Then I went to my parents' house and my mom had cooked smothered pork chops with rice and gravy. So I ate some of that. Then I came home and kind of like saw about my babies and just relaxed. And girl, I'm just now picking y'all back up. So I want to show y'all what I got from Ross. I'm in my beauty room right now and it looks a mess. Let me show y'all. It's just a lot of stuff that I have been buying and I just store it in here. So yeah. I bought these today from Ross. I showed y'all those. And I got my babies these right here. I'm not going to take them out because they're going to want them. And I also got them this pack of balls to go in there. They have like this pool. Like a cushion pool. And I'm going to put these balls in there. And you guys, I tried on these shoes in there and I think they're really cute. The heel is not too high. I think they'll be really cute for the fall and winter. So yeah, it's like a suede, I guess, suede material. So I got those. And what else did I get? I got a nightgown. Come on, y'all. Hey, stop. Stop. I just got that. I really need to put out these pumpkin things that I got, rugs. So I'll probably put those out. I got 2 of them. I'll probably put those out tomorrow. Let me show y'all my little nightgown that I got. It's kind of like a long sleeve muumuu. That's basically what it is. Come on, y'all. Come on, let's go. Okay, y'all, I'm finna have to come out the road. It done got a little warm. All right, so this is the muumuu. I think it's really cute. Like, see? Somebody's calling my phone.
It's terrible.
No, it's not. I wish I had the energy to put my tree up. Y'all, my mama don't put her tree up. She's showing me. She's showing me she don't put her tree up. I just ain't got the energy. Today is November 2nd, by the way, y'all. I ain't got the energy to put it up right now. I'm gonna put it up this week, though.
It's my third one.
You got 3 trees up. I want 3. I got 2. I used to have 3, but I just got 2.
This my eye treat.
Yeah, it's sing and light up. Yeah.
Elf legs.
She got her elf legs, y'all. Her little elf legs coming out of her pompous face. Cute. Love you too. I'll call you back. Okay, bye. But yeah, y'all, I was showing y'all my little moo-moo, my long sleeve moo-moo. I'm so excited for this. It's so cute. Like, it's modernized or something. Like, it's not like the regular moo-moos, the grandma looking ones. This is cute. I can't wait to wear it. It was $14.99. Y'all can't even see me. Let me pull y'all up. So, let's see. My auntie gave me this cookbook at church today. My auntie Paula, come on over. So I might try some recipes out of here, y'all. And I also ordered Blue a little cushion for his crates. He has one in there, but it's not meant for that. It's the cushion from Blaze's Louis Vuitton bed. That's what I have in there right now. But I want him to have a matching one that matches Blaze's cushion in his crate, which is like a cream colored cushion. And I found one on Amazon for 20 bucks. Woo. Okay. Y'all, I love this little gadget right here. You can open up your boxes with it. They got it in this vacuum sealed package right here. They think I got them a treat. And you know what? I'm actually going to switch them out because I want to say Blaze's cushion that he has now is a little smaller maybe. So I think I'm gonna give this one to Blaze and let Blue get Blaze's. Yeah, because this one, of course, Blaze is bigger. So I'm gonna let this kind of fill all out overnight and get all plush and plushy. And what's crazy is I can never find 2 of anything when it got to do with, well, toys. I can find 2 toys of the same toys, but it's like I can never find 2 of the same beds or 2 of the same cushions. When I went in Ross today, they had 2 of every, it's like they had 2 of every bed. They had 2 cushions, 2. I was just like, really? I made me some mint hot chocolate today, y'all, this evening. It was so good. I threw the packaging away, but they were selling like some, oh, I showed y'all, excuse me, I showed y'all in the last vlog, those little single hot chocolate packages. They're so good. I only got one left, which is the chocolate caramel. And I make that anyway. Because I put caramel, I even put caramel in the mint one. I'm not necessarily hungry, but I just want a little snack. So I got my cuties and I got some Honeycrisp apples that I might, well, that I'm eating, that I'm about to eat. But other than that, tomorrow I am going to be making lasagna soup. I've never made it before and I'm seeing all the girls make it. Like, I've been seeing them make it for years, so excited about that. And child, why I ain't put the vanity together yet? I need that vanity now. And y'all know I done worried y'all about that vanity for several vlogs. I'm gonna have to look into that this week for real, y'all. Y'all remind me, this vlog is going out on Wednesday. I need to look into putting that vanity up. But anyway, child, I ain't got nothing to talk about for real. I'll let y'all go, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Hey, girl, and happy Monday. Why me and Blue said, I mean, we done got fully ready. We done went to the park thinking that his training was today at 9 o'clock. Baby, I'm just sitting there for 20 minutes like, where is his trainer at? Did she forget? I look back at our text messages. Guess when the training is? Wednesday. The training is Wednesday at 9 a.m. So baby, we packed it back up. We came home. I changed back into a set of pajamas. Well, into a set of pajamas. And we're chilling. I made me an iced coffee. She looks so good. And baby, we're just gonna chill out for a minute. I don't have to be to work until like 3. So I plan on making spaghetti. What am I talking about spaghetti? I plan on making lasagna soup today. So I'm excited about that because y'all know I never made it. So I'm gonna make that today and go to work and just chill out. I need to like put some of my Christmas stuff out and take this fall stuff up, but baby, we just gonna see. I don't know why I'm just so like not in the mood. I guess because it's a lot of stuff to do, but it's got to get done. So I'm just gonna do a little bit at a time. I may put the one up in my room first since it's just like a simple tree. I don't have a lot of stuff that I put up in my room, so I may start there just to kick things off and get me like in the I'm in the Christmas spirit. I just don't feel like fooling with this stuff. That's the thing, but we gonna get it together, okay? That's good. I need to stir it up because the stuff is at the bottom. But anyway, girl, I will get back with y'all when I'm doing something else. Hey girl, we are finally back home. Y'all saw I went to work. Well, I made this lasagna soup. I went to work. Then after work, me and my mom went. Sorry, Tunk over there drinking water. They just got finished eating, but after work, me and my mom went to World Market. And I was able to find the glasses that I was looking for. I showed y'all. So I ended up getting this one. It's the snowflake one. Really, really pretty. I cannot wait to use it for like my iced coffees and stuff and my teas. I think you can put hot stuff in it. I don't know, but I know I'm gonna use it for iced coffee. So I got that, and I didn't really see anything else that I just had to have. So I think I might go back and get one more glass. When I was getting ready to check out, I saw that they did have a candy cane one, and that one was really cute. So it's between the candy cane, well, the Christmas trees and the bowls. So I don't know, I'm gonna get one or two more, we'll see. They were $12.99, by the way. So the lasagna soup, I'm just gonna put it like this. Okay, I like it. However, I think when I cook it next time, I'm not gonna do sausage. I think the sausage is like knocking me in the face. Something is kind of strong in here, and I think it's that Italian sausage. It's either the Italian sausage or that, no, it's probably the Italian sausage or the paste, the tomato paste, one of them, but I think it's the sausage. But it's not bad, it's just, it's bullying my taste buds right now. But yeah, this is what it looks like, and I got my little ricotta cheese mixture on there. It's really hot. But I'm about to eat this and chill out before bed. It's about 7 o'clock right now, 6:55. So yeah, just wanted to come on and say good night, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.
I will leave.
Hey guys, it is Tuesday morning, and me and my brother are about to take, well, we're at the park getting my babies on a walk. Want to say hello? I guess not.
My baby got a stick in his mouth.
Oh.
Right, he playing fetch. Oh, hey, how y'all doing now? How y'all doing?
How y'all doing now in Dell?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cause I'm country.
We both country.
It about to go viral.
Everybody reminds me in my video that I'm country. I'm from Alabama.
If anything happen, I will leave all y'all.
You see what I'm saying? Ooh, they so excited. Okay, y'all, we just got stopped by this couple right here. They thought Eric looked like Lil Rel, the comedian. I mean, I've never seen Lil Rel.
You should look him up.
I'm gonna have to look him up. Do you think you look like him?
Yeah.
Really?
That's my twin.
Oh gosh, they should have told you that. Oh, but they were talking about the dogs at first. Then they said, you look like that comedian, Lil Rel.
Because I'm legendary.
Oh gosh. I'll get back with y'all. girl. So y'all saw I just made a loaded slip and slide, a loaded baked potato with steak, broccoli. I made a cheese sauce and steak, broccoli, cheese sauce. Yeah, steak, broccoli, and cheese sauce. Y'all, I cannot wait to dive into this. So I've made this before, turned out really good. So I know what it tastes like. I just ain't had it in a minute. So let me get a little bit of everything up in there. Sour cream, broccoli. Yeah. Y'all wanna bite? Wanna bite? It's hot. I just took the potato out the oven. And these potatoes take 10 years to cook. Remind me to put them in the microwave next time. Yeah, I gotta go eat this to myself, y'all. You know when you smile while you eat and you be dancing and humming and stuff? Yeah, that food good. All right, girls, so this brings us to the end of the vlog. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. We did a lot of cooking in this vlog, and I like that because I like to cook. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you did enjoy the vlogs, and leave a comment, like the video, and yeah, let's chat. See you guys in the next vlog.